Hello dear students, welcome back at your own channel Maths Mela. Due to today's COVID conditions, sometime whenever I am seeing out the empty market, the empty shops, the people in a tragic mood, the people, those who have a fear in their mind that even this COVID condition will get over, even the same condition is happening with me also. So somewhere, whenever I am out or whenever we are out, we have a doubt in our mind that what will happen next. And because of this only, normally a headache, which is what a mental headache is always there. The peace which we are finding or which we were having in our life, that is not there now. The happiness when we were going out with the family or with our dear ones, that is also lost. So while dealing with such kind of situation, once I was reading a book and I came across with one thought. Then what was that thought? The thought was, peace comes from within. Don't seek it without. Okay? Because whatever the peace we want or we are in search of, that peace is what within ourselves, inside us, that we have to find out. Am I happy or no? Am I satisfied or no? Am I peaceful or no? Because we are going to adjust with the present condition. The condition will not adjust according to us. Okay? So try to believe yourself. Be positive in your mind. Start a daily routine exercise. Okay? And hopefully, if you will be positive, definitely we will achieve that peace in our mind, in our daily life. Okay? So once again, I would like to repeat that peace comes from within. Don't seek it without. Okay? So along with this thought, let's go ahead with our academic part. Right now, we are dealing with the chapter number 5, that is complex number and quadratic equations. We are at the last stop of the chapter. Right now, we are solving miscellaneous exercise. A quick recap. What we have done before this video, in the last video, we have solved the miscellaneous exercise, first 11 sums, and right now we will be starting with sum number 12. Okay. Before this, we have seen the conjugate of the complex number, the basic form of the complex number. The basic form of the complex number is what? A plus IB, where A is known as the real part of the complex number, B is known as the imaginary part of the complex number. Then the good application of complex number is what? Whenever we were not able to find out the roots of quadratic equation, when the discriminant is what? Less than 0, that is negative. Now with the help of complex number, we are able to find out the roots of quadratic equation with the discriminant less than 0. Okay. Then we have some algebra of complex number, that also we have seen. Okay, in the last few videos. Right now, this was the quick recap of that complex number chapter. Right now, we are going to solve the sum number 12. So let's go ahead with the sum number 12. What is that? Sum number 12 is, let Z1, okay, Z1 is equal to 2 minus I and Z2, that is another number. Z2 is equal to what? Minus 2 plus I. Okay, then what we have to find out the real part of Z1 into Z2 upon Z bar. Okay, and then second thing is what? Imaginary part of 1 upon Z1 into Z1 bar. Okay, so let's go ahead. Now, what is given? Given that Z1 is equal to 2 minus I and Z2 is equal to minus 2 plus I. Can we write down this Z2 like this? Minus common, then it will be 2 minus I. Right? Yes, we can write it. Okay, so let's do it. First we'll find out, therefore Z1 into Z2. Okay, Z1 into Z2 is equal to what it will be? It will be 2 minus I into minus common 2 minus of I. which will be minus common and then 2 minus of I whole square. Right? Now by using a minus b whole square we can expand it. Therefore it will be minus then 2 square minus I square, sorry, plus I square minus 2 into I. Okay, which will become minus inside the bracket 4. Now I square is what? Minus 1. So it will be minus 1 and then 2 2s are 4 and then I. So finally it will take the form of 4 minus 1 is what? 3. So it will become minus 3 plus 4i, equation number 1. This is what your equation number 1. Now to get this one, what we will do? Z1 into Z2 upon Z1 bar. Okay. How it will be? This is what the part, that is numerator minus 3 4i, and the conjugate of this one, complex conjugate of Z1. What is Z1? Z1 is equal to 2 minus I. So it will become 2 plus I. Now to solve it, what we have to do? I we don't want in the denominator. So we multiply with 2 minus I and 2 minus I. Then what we have to do? We have to solve it out. So minus 3 into 2 minus I and then 4 and this so on, the simple normal multiplication. So minus 3 into 2 is what? Minus 6. Minus 3 into minus I is what? 3i. Then 4i into 2, that is plus 8i. Then 4i into minus I, that is minus 4i square, divided by a plus b, a minus b. So 2 2s are 4 and then minus I square. Okay. So what it will happen? Number first, what about this one? Minus 4i square. Since I square is equal to minus 1, so minus 4i square will become minus of minus 4, that is what? Plus 4. So minus 6 plus 4 will give you minus 2, and then 3i plus 8i will give you 11i. Then 4 minus of minus 1, that is what? 4 plus 1. Okay. So this is what your real part of Z1 into Z2 upon Z1 bar. Real part is what? Minus 2 upon 5, because 11 upon 5 will be an imaginary part. So this is what sum number 1. Now second one we will do it. Now let's see the second part. What is second part? Imaginary part of 1 upon Z1 into Z1 bar. So let's find out 1 upon Z1 into Z1 bar. What it will be? It will be 1 upon. What is your Z1? It is 2 minus I. So what is your Z1 bar? It will be just complex conjugate, that is 2 plus I. Simply it will become 1 upon 2 plus I, 2 minus I. So 2 square is what? 4. And then I into I. Okay, that will give you minus I square. So it will become 1 upon 5. Okay. Now 1 upon 5 is what? The real part of this one. So if you will find out the imaginary part, that is 1 upon Z1 bar, there is no imaginary part, that is 0i. So imaginary part is what? Nothing. So here what you can do, you can rub it out, or you can write it in this way: 1 upon, that is imaginary part of Z1 bar is 0, because this is not an imaginary part. 1 upon 5 is what? The real part. Okay. Now let's go on the next one. Find the modulus of 1 plus 2i upon 1 minus 3i. Simple. How to find out? Therefore 1 plus 2i upon 1 minus 3i. If you want to find the modulus, you have to multiply with its complex conjugate, that is 1 plus 3i and 1 plus 3i. So first common multiplication, what you can do is 1 into this number is same as that number. Then 2i into 1, it is 2i. 2i into 3i, that is 2 3s are 6, and then I square. Okay. Then a minus b, a plus b, that is what? 1 square. And then minus 3i square. So minus 3 3s are, it is 9i square. But you know that I square is what? Minus 1. So minus of minus 9 is plus 9 and 1, it is 10. So denominator's problem is solved, that is 10. Now 6i square. So I square is equal to what? Minus 1. So it is 6 into minus 1, minus 6. So minus 6 and 1, that is what? Minus 5. And then 3i plus 2i will give you 5i. So what you can do, this denominator 10 is a part of this also and part of that also. So what we do, we'll write it separately, that is like this, 5i upon 10. So 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. So what we are getting, the modulus of this is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 2 into I. Now let's go ahead with sum number next, that is sum number 14. What is that? Find the real numbers x and y if x minus iy into 3 plus 5i is conjugate of minus 6 minus 24i. So two different parts are there that we are going to compare. Okay, so first thing is what? This one. Okay, so first let us find out that x minus iy into 3 plus 5i is equal to what? If you will multiply simply x into 3, it will give you 3x, then x into 5i, it will give you 5xi, then minus 3yi, and then 5 3s are, or iy into 5. Okay, that will give you 5 into yi square. Again, if you will solve it, what it will be? 3x. What about this one? I square is minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 5y. So it will become plus 5y and then 5xi. Or you can take common I from here and then 5x minus 3y is equal into I. This will give you equation number 1. Now this part is a conjugate of this one, but if you can see the conjugate, okay, what is conjugate of minus 6 minus 24i? This is minus 6, only the minus will become plus. This is what? The addition. Okay, so equation number 1 is this. And conjugate of this is what? Minus 6 plus 24i. Now from the sum, okay, from the sum or given, what is given? This part is a conjugate of this number. So what does it mean? From equation number 1 and 2, both are what? Equal. Okay, and from 1 and 2, what we can do? Equation number 1 and 2 both are equal, therefore what we can do? 3x plus 5y plus 5x minus 3y is equal to, what is that? Minus 6 plus 24i. What we can do? Can we compare their real parts? Yes. So comparing RE and imaginary parts, what will happen? What is real part? This one is 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 6, equation number say 3, and then 5x minus 3y is equal to 24. That is what? Equation number 4. Now what? Here you can find out x and y very easily by using any method of solving the linear equation. Okay, linear equation in two variables. So by elimination method you can find out, or by substitution method you can find out, by cross multiplication method you can find out, or by reducing method you can find out. Here what you can do is 3 5s are 15, or this you can multiply it by 3 to get the good number, means what the y and y will get cancelled. So what we will do? Equation number 4. So 3y, okay, so 3 5s are 15. And this equation you can multiply by 3. So what will happen? 5y into 3 will become 15y, and 3y into 5 will become 15y. So that 15y and 15y will get cancelled. Okay. So what we will do by what we can do by 3 into equation 3 plus 5 into equation 4. Then what will happen? Again simply I am multiplying and writing. 3 3s are, it is 9x, 3 5s are 15y, 3 6s are 18, equation number 3, and then 5. 5 5s are 25x, 5 3s are 15y, and then 5 into 24. That comes 120. Right, now this is what cancel because we are adding 25 plus 9 will give you 34x and is equal to 120 minus 18, that is 102. So simply x is equal to 102 upon 34. Okay, this is very simple. 34 3s are. Okay, therefore what you are getting, x is equal to 3. Right? It is 17 2s and 17 6s are, what I call 34 3s are, that also you can do. Now put the value of x is equal to 3 in any of the equation. Therefore put x is equal to 3. Either you can keep it in 3 or 4. Okay. So if you put it in 3, so it will be what? 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 6, this one. So 3 into 3 plus 5y into minus 6. So this will give you 5y is equal to minus 6 minus 9 because the 3's are 9, and then y is equal to minus 15 upon 5, that is equal to what? Minus 3. Therefore what? X is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 3. This is what the answer or the value of x and y. Let's go ahead with the next sum. Now let's go ahead with sum number 15. What is that? Sum number 15 is find the modulus of 1 plus I upon 1 minus I minus 1 minus I upon 1 plus I. What we'll do, we'll find out there are two different terms. We'll find out the separate modulus and then we'll subtract it. Okay? So therefore how it will be? Therefore first modulus of this one will find out, that is 1 into what? 1 plus I and then again 1 plus I. If you will do it, what it will be? The square of 1 plus I bracket square and then it is 1 square minus of I square. Now I square's value is correct, it is what? Minus 1. So upside it will be first 1 square, then I square, then 2 into 1 into I, that is 2i, and then 1 square is 1, minus of minus 1 is what? 2. And finally therefore what we are getting, this is equal to what? Say 1 minus, again I square is what? Minus 1, then 2i upon 2. This one and will cancel, and here it is what? 2i upon 2. It means what we are getting only I. This is what equation number 1. Now the second part. Now 1 minus I, 1 plus I. Again into what? 1 minus I upon 1 minus I. And the same story, whatever we have done here, like that only. Means 1 minus I bracket square, 1 into 1, 1 square, and then I square. So what it will be? 1 minus I square by using a minus b whole square. So it will be 1 minus plus I square, then minus of 2i upon 1 minus of minus 1 is again 2. So therefore it will be also 1 minus 1 minus 2i upon 2. This cancel. So minus 2i upon 2. This is also cancelled. So what is remaining? Minus I. This is what? Equation number 2. Now what was the sum? Therefore 1 plus I, 1 minus I, minus 1 minus I, and 1 plus I. What? From 1 and 2. What it can be? Here this part is nothing but equation number 1 I, and this part is again what? Minus I. So this is what? From 1 and 2. Okay, from equation 1 and 2. Now what is this? I minus of minus I. It will give you I minus into minus is what? It will become I plus I, that is what? 2I. So this is what your required answer. Right. Now let's go ahead. Good sum. If x plus I cube is equal to u plus iv, then show that u upon x plus v upon y is equal to 4 into x square minus y square. Such kind of sums are known as beauty of maths, because here we have to apply all the logics and all, and then we have to do it. Okay. So what is given? Work on that. Then we bring this form. Okay. So what is given? Given x plus iy cube is equal to u plus iv. Now what is this x plus iy cube? Here we will use a plus b whole cube. Okay, that is simple identity. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, so a is what? X, b is what? iy. Okay, therefore this will become x plus iy cube will be x cube, then 3 into a square into b, that is iy, then 3 into x into y square. Can I write directly I square and y square? So this bracket I am not writing. Okay, I square, and then b cube, that is I cube, again same thing I am doing, I cube and y cube. Okay, now if you will go on, it will be x cube, then here it is what? 3x square y, then you know that I square is equal to what? Minus 1, so this minus 1 will change this sign, so it will become 3xy square, and you know that I cube is again minus I, so this will become y cube I. Now what is given to us? That is x plus iy cube is equal to u plus iv. Therefore what we will do? Therefore u plus iv. Here what we do? The real parts, that is what? Without I, that we will write first, and with I we will write later on, that is this part. Or we can do u plus iv is equal to x cube minus 3xy square, and we will take common I here. Okay, that is minus y cube into I. Okay, now what we do? We will compare real part. Therefore what this implies? U is equal to x cube minus 3xy square. Okay, and v is equal to 3x square y minus y cube. Now from this take x common, so it will be what? U is equal to x into x square minus 3y square, and v is equal to, take y common here, that is 3x square minus y square. Therefore what will happen? Therefore u upon x is equal to x square minus 3y square, correct? And maybe equation number 1. Okay, that is what? 1. And here v upon y is equal to 3x square minus y square. Okay, now simply what you have to do? You have to add 1 and 2. So if you will add 1 and 2, it will be u upon x, v upon y, and I just need to add it, and then x square minus 3y square plus 3x square minus y square, which will give you x square plus 3x square is 4x square, 3y minus y, that is 4y square, which is what our required condition. It is in this form: u upon x plus v upon y is equal to 4 common, then x square minus y square, which is what? Your required answer. Okay, which is what? Easy to understand. So dear students, we are going to halt here. Today we'll stop it here. The next few sums will be done in the next video. Till that time, keep watching your favorite channel, Maths Mela. And we'll meet soon at your own channel, Maths Mela. So till that time, be happy, be safe and be at home. Thank you.